Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we got this Matchbox 5-pack. It's the MBX Construction 2 and it has a variation of construction vehicles. I picked this up a few days ago. I got pocket checked on Instagram and I bought this one so I can do the pocket check. The only one I pretty much got it for is that right there, Dodge. I think it's Dodge 66 Dodge A100 pickup. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Hold on, got this. So let's slide this up. And we're gonna start with the first one right on top. This is the Skidster. Now that is very cool. I like this one. Look at that. Little, what are these called? Cats? I think that's what they're called. Forklifts? No, it's not a forklift. There it is. Let's check it out. Nice. I like that. I like the color. Very cool. This one was the one I got for that pocket check that I was saying. This is very cool. Very cool casting. Says it has a Golf there. Got the black with orange rims. Very cool. Orange bottom. This is A66 Dodge 100 A100 pickup. Kind of looked it up, and that's the bad thing about these 5-packs from Matchbox. They don't have the name in the back. They don't provide you with the name, so I had to Google it real quick. Now this one, this is very cool. I'm probably gonna give these to my kids and keep that one and probably the Chevy. But this is pretty cool. It's alright. It's alright. It says Rannick, and this is the water hauler. That's the name for it, the water hauler. Yeah, it's not that impressive. Feels like plastic except the bottom, so it's not that heavy duty if you weigh it out. And then we got here a TGS 18.440. Weird, there's so many names. Yeah. Okay, this little compartment lifts up, bed lifts up. I like it. It's alright. It's cool. Then last but not least, we got the Chevy. I like that green. That green looks real nice. Now this is a 2014 Chevy Silverado. We got a native. Zoom in real quick. Side. Since 1981, native landscape. Very cool. Got some flowers. Very cool. Planning and design. So I guess this one's a landscaping company, but I like that. That's very cool. I like the green. Design is simple, but it's cool. Has a sunroof on the top. The bottom is white or gray, depending on how you guys see it. There it is. Matchbox 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. That's very cool. So pretty much, yeah, I picked these up. Now I picked this 5-pack up for these two. And all the other ones are a Plus. Let me click it. So there they are, all 5 of them. We got the Skidster 66 Dodge A100 pickup, water hauler, man TGS 18.440, and 2014 Chevy Silverado. So once again, thank you for tuning into the video. I know it's been a while. I apologize if for the subscribers that maybe wanted more videos on this channel. It's just been really rough these past few months. As you know, what's going on around the world. Damn that COVID. But yeah, we're all being safe and trying to find different ways to get by. So I hope y'all are being safe. Keep collecting if possible. Be safe, like I said. And yeah, peace.